We are the largest public transport operator in Istanbul. As an affiliate company of the Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality, we are working tirelessly to meet the transportation needs of over 3 million Istanbulites on a daily basis. We are responsible for the operation and maintenance of 18 lines and 234 stations, spanning 241 kilometers in Istanbul. We embrace a sustainable management approach at Metro Istanbul. We allocate 60% of our time to passenger transport operations and 40% to maintenance processes. A vast infrastructure extends from traction transformers to auxiliary service transformers and lighting systems to HVAC systems, forming a continuously expanding network. To efficiently oversee and manage such a vast asset base, it has become crucial to create digital twins. So what is a digital twin? A digital twin is an exact digital replica of something that exists in the physical world. BIM is an important component of a digital twin, but the concept of a digital twin is much broader. A digital twin mimics the characteristics, performance, and behavior of a physical object, enabling real-time analysis, prediction, and optimization. We have developed the digital twin project, in simplest terms, to utilize the city's resources efficiently. Our aim is to achieve up to 37.5% increase in operational efficiency and to save up to 25% in energy consumption and maintenance costs. During the design phase, we created the digital twin of Churchill Station on our M7 metro line using Autodesk Tandem. The use of digital twins in rail system operations and maintenance is a relatively new concept globally. We see the digital twin project we have implemented using Autodesk Tandem as a crucial part of our vision of leading the industry's development. We are planning to scale the digital twin implementation to all of our stations. The project offers smooth operations for Istanbulites across various areas, ensuring continuity and quality of metro services, as well as the seamless functioning of escalators and elevators. It also supports our mission to offer rail systems as a punctual, comfortable, and cost-effective transportation option to our citizens.
We see the digital twin project as an important step towards our goal of providing excellent service to our passengers. By managing operation and maintenance process on the digital twin, we have created using Autodesk Tandem. We aim to reduce operational and maintenance costs, increase efficiency, and prevent potential issues before they arise.
Since 2050, Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality requires the use of BIM models in metro project designs. Provision of BIM models during the turnover of constructions since 2015 provides a significant advantage for our digital twin project. However, it is necessary to create BIM models for lines and stations designed before 2050.
The challenging part of creating a digital twin was to generate high-quality BIM models of lines and stations that didn't have BIM models. We are using Autodesk Point Cloud technology to overcome this challenge. Another challenge was transferring data from real-time systems to the digital twin platform through a common communication protocol. Processing, analyzing, and utilizing this data for decision-making purposes has been a fantastic opportunity to acquire know-how. We will continue to increase our data sources feeding into the digital twin project with further IoT and sensor investments.
We aim to utilize digital twin technology to streamline our maintenance processes, implementing improvements that lead to significant savings on high energy costs. You can visualize the malfunctions through the system, and maintenance teams are dispatched already knowing what needs to be done. We can enhance energy efficiency by utilizing the platform to conduct various operations such as total traction, power analysis, comparisons of energy consumed by trains with renewable energy generated, optimization of terrain driving modes with train speed time profiles, and analysis of energy consumption for station auxiliary services.
We are effectively utilizing Autodesk Tandem in our maintenance procedures. Our aim was to make maintenance processes more efficient and easier, especially for the personnel working in maintenance units. The personnel responsible for maintenance can swiftly access detailed analysis and documentation of the equipment through the digital twin before reaching the equipment itself. They can track maintenance periods transferred from the ERP system's asset management tool via Autodesk Tandem and thus intervene before faults occur. We also store the equipment signal data from the monitoring and control system in Autodesk Tandem. We continue our efforts to conduct predictive equipment analysis by integrating this signal data with artificial intelligence applications.
Utilizing the digital twin technology will be a necessity in the future of rail systems. Digitalization is crucial for passenger satisfaction and sustainability. We believe that integrating digital twin technology into our operations will further enhance passenger comfort in the future. We view Autodesk Tandem as a reliable companion in this journey.